can't remember what you said, mate. You can't remember.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. Have some heals.
Slacker. Hello.
Oh, I
Hello.
detected him from back here.
Hello.
Go on, fire strike
God.
me. Yeah! Thank you. Doom fist.
Yeah, he's dead. That was the biggest mistake of his
Wrecking
life.
ball. Also, was he just jumped into the enemy? Very dumb choice. I have now no charge. They're all going up to the left. And dumbass.
No, Daddy, why are you hitting me?
Oh yes! That was disgusting. I need help with Reinhardt.
Oh. Wrecking sight. I tried to hit you with heals, but I hit Jordan twice, sorry. Hello. Incoming.
Ow.
Wrecking ball! Oh, I think I hit him, no I didn't.
You did, I'm pretty sure you did.
Oh.
Doomfist,
just
mate,
wanted
you
to
are
throw his
terrible.
life away again.
Hanzo's dead. Yeah, I'll push down on this little
Guys, I
prick.
need healing. I mean, George, sorry. Thank
Yeah.
you!
Sorry, Kens, we're all just coming earlier.
Yeah, I don't know, I just think guys, because I don't know.
Wrecking ball on point.
Playing as team, that's why I just rolled the...
He's gone behind point.
I didn't mean to leave
I
you
can't
behind.
bubble you, Harry.
Try and deflect this Genji, you fucking
Oh,
fat
that
shit.
fucking orb just teared me a new one, apparently. Saucy!
Oh, thanks for that challenge.
That changes my thinking.
That Hanzo's good. He just dropped me.
Don't worry.
Oh, it's not
I'll
letting me
get
get it.
Oh, you're the closest one there.
I'll get
apart
back
from
on
Jordan.
Slowly but surely on my way.
Probably just gonna jump on point and die.
I got the Hanzo.
I'm about to die.
Hey, I just threw all three things on you.
Mate, I just got the point. What are you on about? Jump on and die. Ha! LOL! I got the Genji as well. I got 3 of them. You're all fucking trash.
What is
Lucio
bloody
killed me.
Reinhardt not dying?
These guys. Can we not
I
lose
literally
point
just
to
took out
Lucio?
3 of them. I'm a fucking boss.
That changes my thinking.
Easy!
The dragon's eyes.
I think it's just called Moira.
No. It's who's controlling the character.
Got the fucking wrecking ball like 1 health.
Hello everybody. How you doing?
Are you ready for the greatest grab in the world? Just can't hit Genji because he might deflect it.
Damn
I'm
it.
dead, I'm dead. No, let me
No, Hanzo, what the fuck?
Told you he was good. Come on, Ken, smack him.
He is, mate. Get him. Get him.
Dead yet.
Kenzie's bull slacking him. Us 3 are dead, Kenzie. You're the only one on point.
I just used my ult and died.
That's not bad. We'll let him have it.
Objective lost. Stop the payload.
I was hoping I was gonna survive it if I went rally to me. And I didn't. Swed!
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. Fucking shit prick.
Bullets taken.
Привет! Hello.
How's he got that much health?
Who the fuck is fighting right above us? Oh, thanks for the 20 charge.
Hanzo is just
Yeah.
popping my fucking skull for days!
There you go, he's dead. Whoa, lag.
I need you to just stick in front of me because I can't survive without you. Your fat ass in front of me.
Take out that Zarya.
Moisty, come here.
I just
Take out that
threw
Anna.
3 things at you. Moira.
Yeah, she's died, don't worry.
I've got my ult, so just let me know when.
Gonna run. I've got really weird frames. Oh, hello.
Stop.
You're an
There you go.
idiot.
Stunned him.
That was a big mistake, wasn't it?
I think he thought he could get away.
Ow,
quick enough.
ow, ow,
Where
ow.
I get that Genji?
Where is that
Oh,
guy?
no.
I keep fucking hearing him.
Damn it. That Junkrat, oh no, it's Zarya. For some reason I thought it was Junkrat.
Up above us. She's so low. The Ana up top is so low.
You just say Anarach.
No, Ana.
Sound like you said
Finger
Anarach.
bob.
Please, no, don't worry about it.
Shit, they're behind us.
Ooh!
Yeah, we're good.
Okay, I will team up! I am sweat!
I still haven't got fucking charge and I'm bubbling everything.
Oh, hey.
Oh, sorry, get put to sleep.
Get him.
This, where the fuck is he going? He's so fast. Our main, we got a mate. Can she slow him down, please? Like, freeze him, please. She's gonna run away. Oh, hi, Genji.
If he goes Dragon Blade, I'll punch him. Oh, he's stuck!
He can't deflect the fucking beam, though. Bitch.
Stunned, yes.
Oh, fuck you. Oh, don't kids.
Stunned, wrecking
Easy,
fuck. I think they're
boys.
behind us.
Reckon fuck.
Where are they? Where are they? Where are they?
I did actually
Oh,
get that
Zarya's
one,
up
no
top with May.
way. Behind us, yeah. Chialaba?
Nice.
Oh, I'm gonna eat
Oh
this
god,
dragon.
that was so close.
Oh, charge! Give me the charge.
There you go, boys. Freeze, I don't move.
There's that
Damn, I
Genji.
tried to cancel his ult. Right!
don't
Oh,
cancel
every
his
time
ult.
I use rally to me, it fucking die. Oh.
He wasn't even looking at me. Ah!
I'm the only one on
I've
point.
still got my
May,
ult.
please help
If you
me.
guys
May,
survive, I can
May,
rally
please
to
help
me.
me. May's just fucking dueling some shit. I'm not even sure what I'm saying.
Oh,
I kept
please.
dueling.
Bloody gimp mask. Guys, I can't go in there without anyone else.
I'm with you.
Fuck's sake, man.
Fucking
so much
hell.
charge, I
It always
couldn't do
happens.
anything.
It always happens.
Who's this? Hi, Zarya's charge keeps
Are you really chasing me into my spawn? You bunch
I'm gonna wait here till
Can't
you
leave
survive.
us one.
So you're alive.
What do you mean? Start pushing, look how far away it is.
Yeah, but
Dead yet.
Harry's
By the time you make
not
it
the
there.
fastest.
He's
Who are
the
you?
fattest,
Tiggo's got fucking
Yeah, you're
legs.
not
legs.
fast either.
You want to bet I can do my super jumps? I mean, it hurts my health bar, but you know,
I've got you healed,
can
big.
show me how.
Right, let's sort that bitch out. Now let's sort this bitch out. Now let's sort that pussy out.
Rally to me, motherfuckers! Oh, there was only one.
Wreckable,
now, there was
wreckable,
loads.
wreckable, wreckable, wreckable.
Stunned him.
No, you
Damn it, he
didn't.
got on that.
I don't think
Fucking
you did.
did. They're literally,
sure?
the
'Cause he
stun
didn't
lasts for
stand
like
for
2 seconds, not even that.
Was it
I think
the
it lasts
shield
8
bash?
seconds. Yeah, the
Was
shield
it the
bash.
shield bash? Okay, that is the stunner. The other one isn't.
I've got my out again, but I do
Oh,
need
charge
healing.
me!
Through 3 orbs at you.
Oh, wreckable, wreckable, get the
Stunned
wreckable,
him.
get the wreckable. Yeah, boy, boy, boys.
Can we drop out?
Oh, bull slacker!
No, 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 no,
yeah,
no, 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 we don't need it.
Don't
Me
do
and
it yet,
you.
not yet.
Do it in like...
Go now, go now, go now, no, go now.
Oh, healing you all.
Yeah, well done.
Oh,
Yeah, I got 2 of them, well done, see? Good ult, good
oh,
ult,
Zarya's.
good ult.
She's dead, it's fine, I got her.
It's not her you need to worry about when you do the damage people that can just shoot something
Easy.
into the hole.
Good stuff.
No, but she was right next. Right next to us. Right next.
Yeah, no, that makes sense. But if they have a Hanzo, they can just drag in your grab and do grab.
Right, lads.
Box it all up.
Pull ourselves together, we get this dubber.
Times have changed.
What's he doing? Is he not going to drop? There he is. Dickhead.
I'm gonna die. I
Sorry,
wasn't
Harry, I
getting
didn't have
healed.
time to heal you.
Oh, 70 charge. That is nice, that is nice. If I can get some heals, I can
Yeah, I'm
push
healing,
quite
yeah.
far. Thank you.
I got fucking...
Get in there, Moira. Get in
My
there,
hands
Moira.
have got my.
Chasing that
shield.
Moira. Got this Hanzo.
I
Harry,
need,
we hog
I need
please?
heals.
Hanzo's one.
Need heals.
Hanzo's
Need
one.
heals, need heals.
Hog just keeps healing himself.
Hog's
with
gonna
fat
die.
Lucio's
fuck.
1.
Hog's gonna die.
Lucio's dead.
Moira's gonna...
Get the May, get the May.
No, no way you just called him a Lucio. May will, get rid of May will. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Moira's dead.
And Yeah, mate, she's been avoiding me this whole time. It's not fucking funny. Alright, you guys get point.
May
I'm
behind
gonna
us.
Get more charge.
Don't be
What's
silly,
up, Road
mate.
Dog? Fuck off, Road Dog.
Silly me.
Oh,
Hands
Hanzo
up.
on point.
Yeah, don't be silly, Hanzo.
That was Alpha.
Have some heals.
Point.
Rhodey.
Hog!
Silly Rhodey.
What's up, Winston? Yeah, but Winston, yeah, just let you guys know.
Even easier.
Winston is good if.
Stunned
Yeah,
him.
but he's just jumped
Oh,
in, he's gonna die.
Yeah, of course he is.
Right.
He's a fucking idiot. As you said, it depends on the player.
That's exactly it, mate.
Let's have 3 people on the payload, moves it fastest.
Yeah, I'll sit back so I can heal.
It's fucking
Hanzo,
ocean, man.
Hanzo's 2. Yeah, good. Farah's doing alright, to
I'm
be
the only one
fair.
on payload.
I'm with you.
Oh.
What's up, May?
Pardon
Harry, have
me.
you come here?
Nearly
I didn't
killed the
realise
May.
how
Roadblock?
bad it is.
Oh, Roadpog, come here, mate. Come here, my beautiful man.
Right, I'll just stay here and move it. Oh, guys, got Hanzo
Okay,
on,
got charge.
Hanzo on. And a
Thank
May.
you, thank you.
Freeze the move! Fucking cunt.
Oh, I got that Lucia.
Oh, yes, Doomfist.
No,
Oh,
no,
you're
Harry,
right,
he'll
no, no.
constantly throwing heals
Hello.
down.
Oh my god.
ER, focus, Winston.
Bloody hell.
Hello, Moira. Do you want to fight? Let's,
got heals
you
down
got
there.
a beam, I've got a beam. It's all okay. Okay. Enzo, why would you?
Yeah, I can't fucking move. Jordan, have you got heals to be?
Got ya.
Sick.
Where are you?
Come in, May. You want to use your
Thanks,
freeze
mate.
ray, bitch?
I'm healing you.
Yeah, I've got you on
Double
heals as well. I've got you on heals.
Oh shit, I didn't get out of
I'm
that.
out of that.
I'm
No,
frozen.
it freezed me so quickly. Oh my
I'm
god.
trying to sort the bitch
I don't know
out.
why that
I'm
did.
healing you.
I
Take.
died.
Ah.
Did it freeze anyone else super quickly?
It froze us all fucking instantly, mate.
Like instant, didn't it?
And May has
You
won.
must-
Fuck.
I
No, that's
never
right.
really got freeze that quickly.
That's
It's
what I mean,
fine.
yeah, was anyone like a booster or anything? Like I didn't know if Mercy's
No.
thing would like make it go quicker.
Damn, got
That was
Mercy there,
fucking
that's fine.
quick.
That was
That's
weird.
what I thought, that's what I was wondering.
We must challenge our
Maybe if it had a nano, it would do it that quick, but fucking hell, they don't, so.
Right, I'm
Are
coming
you
over
ready?
Harry.
Okay.
Oh, that fucking ash shot me in the face.
That was funny, I saw it. Oh, Harry, thanks for that charge, and they're all in the
Oh, I'm gonna die.
Sorry, Harry, I tried to fucking get you, but
Fucking mate, she's freezing so quickly. Like,
know.
I can't even get away. Normally I can.
Ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna die. Tell them I need help, I need help, I need help.
oh, I'm on point.
Or not.
No, that May is freezing me instantly. I don't know what's going on.
You got
Jeez.
unfrozen, but he's,
She's got some supercharged fucking freeze, mate, or something. I don't know.
she's just
Can't do
really good
anything
fucking
for me,
mate.
so.
Let's kill the May first. Get rid of her immediately. Alright, I'm gonna bubble you. Get that Lucio, that way he can't heal the May. There you go for this May.
Let's get in there. I've got your heal. Get in
Got
there.
you.
You get higher bubbled you.
I tried to stun
Oh,
Winston,
she's
but I
gonna get me
don't think-
again.
I don't think you can take
Ah.
stun.
There you go, she ran away because I saw it beaming her. She got it again!
I know.
She's
what the
getting-
fuck?
Everything so quick.
Their Winston just.
Oh, fuck.
just
He got a
fucking-
sound barrier, I need help with the May. No.
I was trying to help you, mate, but
We can do this.
Fuck. Come on.
Alright, everybody wait. No one
The
go in, no
Lucio's
one
good.
go in.
Yeah, wait for me.
No one
I'm
go
about to
in.
get my ultimate, so 97%.
I'm
got
on
that.
79.
Everyone, let's just wait here.
start
So
going.
I
I'll
say we
catch
go.
up.
Let's
Start
all
going.
go in at the same time. Okay. Who's gonna go in that I can bubble?
Me.
I'll go in.
I'm going to put a healing orb in there now. May or me, boys.
Hey guys.
Got 40 charge. Ow,
Where's
ow, ow,
gone?
ow,
Stun
ow,
I've
ball.
got
ow.
heals in. I've got heals in.
Bubbled someone. Go
Winston,
for the Lucio,
Winston.
go for the Lucio.
That
Winston,
Winston's
Winston.
dead.
Lucio's
Just
what?
ulted.
Lucio's out.
Yeah, I've got heals in.
Hello, Winston.
Get Winnie.
How are you
Get Winnie.
doing?
Gone.
Good.
Winnie the shithead.
Yeah, we got Moira here. Who fancies dying? And Moira, mate, you're
suck her out.
fucking
Oh.
shit.
I haven't got charge to beat her up.
I'm gonna save my ulti. Lucio's dead. I've got
I'm
the
waiting
May.
for May to come out of that fucking.
Yeah,
oh,
she's dead,
fucking
mate.
popped me a wall. Just
Winston
sick,
and
mate.
Marcy
May's
to the
dead.
left. Ash.
Healing Doomfist.
Dealing with Winston at the moment.
Yeah, I'm with you,
There you
Pig.
go,
I'm
Harry,
with you.
got some heals
Keep
on
going,
you.
keep going, keep going.
I'm
keep
just
going.
staying on point
Good,
right
well
now.
done. Good stuff.
Push that Ash
I'm
back.
healing. Get the Ash. Ash is dead.
Oh,
Hi,
Then
Moira,
Lucio's
your beam
nearly
is
dead.
shit compared to mine.
Lucio's dead. Wrecking Ball is low as
Healing
fuck.
you boys.
There you go, just get them and then. Oh,
Yeah.
get this May, get this May, get the May. I bubbled you, someone.
Shit,
She's
someone
on the
get
point.
me. Oh, she literally went straight for me.
Got the May.
May's dead though, so it's
Winston's
fine.
very angry.
Get the Winnie.
Angry monkey. I'm gonna bubble.
Get Winnie the cunt.
Their
Yes.
May is so good, mate.
Get the Tracer.
Right, Brad, get in
It is
now. I'll heal
Lucio.
you from here.
Why am I getting? I am. I'm
Got
on
heals
the
on you. Get this little prick.
Fuck.
Stunned him as he came down.
Oh,
I'll
he's
try and
dead.
take out some of these things with my.
Just
with
get it on there.
Mace.
Yeah, good.
Nice cheeky
Yes.
10 player.
Good boys,
Cheeky 10
good.
player.
No, I had 42 kills.
Go on,
I had
lads.
40. I had 40 as well.
I had 17.
At 46.
And oh, that's a nice London Spitfire scheme. That's fucking aim.
46 healings,
Bloody hell,
12,000
mate,
hero
she's
damage,
shit.
12,000
She
healing,
is so
26
good.
objective kills. Go on, George.
Alright. Even
Alright,
up
who's
that.
going to
Oh,
get the
like
likes in?
myself.
Wow.
I haven't liked yet. And I
My
haven't got any-
objective
got-
time is sick, mate.
I had 2 minutes 34 objective time.
Yeah,
5,600
yeah,
XP.
yeah.
Good saucy dabber.